Hi students, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are well. Now we can see chapter number 1, chemical reaction and equation. Let's see some basic parts of reaction. There are 4 types of reaction that we know in our class. Let us see. The first one is combination reaction. Next, second one is decomposition reaction that we know. Third one is displacement reaction. And last one and fourth one is double displacement reaction. You all are familiar with these 4 types of reaction, right? So let us see some general equation of all reaction, right? So first one is combination reaction. So general equation is A plus B gives AB. Why we write A plus B gives AB? So the definition of combination reaction is the reaction in which 2 or more reactant combine to form a single compound. It means 2 or more reactant એટલે કે 2 કે તેથી વધારે reactant combine થઈને attach થઈને શું બનાવે છે one product. Clear? Now decomposition reaction. What is decomposition reaction? What is the general formula of decomposition reaction? So first we can see the definition of decomposition reaction. That is decomposition. The word itself says decomposition. It means a decomposition reactions occur when one reactant break down into 2 or more product. It means one reactant. Here one reactant AB. It's break down into 2 or more product. It means AB gives A plus B, right? Now we can compare combination and decomposition, right? So let's some example. Combination means A plus B gives AB, right? Clear concept? એટલે કે બે રિએક્ટન્ટ ભેગા થઈને એક પ્રોડક્ટ ફોર્મ કર્યું. નેક્સ્ટ ડિકમ્પોઝિશન રિએક્શન. It means AB gives its breakdown in A and B. Clear? What is different between combination and decomposition? Right? Now displacement. What is displacement reaction? It is very simple. In this chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. Let us see the general equation. A plus BC. Here we can see A is more reactive element, right? It replaces the less reactive element, right? Now we get AC plus B. Also here it is cation. Here one compound we have. Here left hand side cation, right hand side anion. So also we know that cation goes to anion and its form AC, right? તમે એમ બી કહી શકો કે જે A છે એ કેવું છે વધારે રિએક્ટિવ છે, એ B છે કેવું છે લેસ રિએક્ટિવ છે. તો એ શું કરે, એ પોતાના જે પોઝિશન છે એ પોઝિશન પરથી શું કરે છે, રિપ્લેસ કરે છે કોને, લેસ રિએક્ટિવને. સો ઇટ ફોર્મ AC. પોઝિટિવ નેગેટિવ એટ્રેક્શન છે, વી નો દેટ. તો AC પ્લસ B, right? In double displacement reaction, what happen? What is double displacement? Here we can see only one times bond break, right? In double displacement, now we can see a double displacement reaction It is a type of chemical reaction where two or more compound react and positive ion and negative charge ion switch to place. It means AB plus CD. Now we can see positive ion, negative, cation, anion. Cation, anion switch their place. It means this positive ion goes to negative ion and this positive ion goes to here. So what happened? AD plus what we can write? Guess BC or CB? Yeah, right. BC. No. We can write CB because positive ion left hand side and negative ion right hand side. Same. Positive ion left hand side, negative ion right hand side. So please make a note of this. Now we can see first combination reaction and example of combination reaction, right? The first combination reaction. In our textbook, we have first example of calcium oxide, CaO, calcium oxide react with water means plus water H2O. Now we get, guess what happened? CaO plus H2O. What happened? Which product we get? Think. We got CaOH2. What is the name of this compound? Calcium hydroxide. Right? Or what happened? Here CaO plus H2O gives CaOH twice, plus here heat release. Right? So we can also write here it is an exothermic reaction. Right? Also we can call combination reaction is exothermic reaction. Why? Because it is always release heat. Clear? Now we can see another example. Here CaOH twice. CaOH twice. It is a colorless liquid. So CaOH twice 2 plus it react with CO2. It is a gas. Here liquid. So what happened? Which types of product we can get? Think. CaOH2 plus CO2. What happened? Here we get CaCO3. The name. What is the name of this compound? Calcium carbonate. Plus H2O. Right? Now here is colorless liquid, CaOH twice and CaCO3. It is milky color. Right? Now what is this? Another example. We can see second example, H2, the formation of water, plus O2. It gives formation of water H2O. But here hydrogen have 2. We learn in our class any gaseous compound, any gaseous element, it always have diatomic state. You always diatomic state. So here H2 gaseous state, O2 gaseous state and H2O liquid state. Right? Now here reactant, product, element. Here hydrogen, oxygen. Now we can see the calculation, balance equation. Hydrogen have 2, in reactant oxygen have also 2. In product hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. Now what we can do? Here multiply with 2, right? 1 2 is 2. Here 2. Then change also hydrogen. In product, hydrogen is 4 and oxygen 2. Another we can change hydrogen. Here multiply with 2. So here also 4. So what we can do? Here hydrogen multiply with 2. So 2 2 is 4. Right? Clear? Now we can see third example. Sulfur plus oxygen gives, what happened? We got SO2, sulfur dioxide. It is a gas. Oxygen is gas. Sulfur is yellow color powder and it is a solid. Right? Here balance is already, this equation is already balanced. Another example we can see. C plus O2. What happened? It is CO2. Why we take O, oxygen? Because we know oxygen is good supporter of combustion, right? Now we can take exothermic reaction. Some example of exothermic reaction. In our textbook, first, the burning of natural gas. Burning of natural gas. It means the burning of methane. What is the formula of methane? Let us see. Formula of methane is gas CH4. Methane. And we know that the oxygen is a good supporter of combustion. So here oxygen. Right? So now what we get? The product, end product, final product, gas. CH4 plus O2. Here carbon also, oxygen also. So we got CO2. Plus here hydrogen also, oxygen also. So we got H2O. Right? Carbon dioxide. And here water. Clear? Now here is unbalanced equation. So how can we balance this equation? Right? Here element, here reactant, here product. Elements carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Here in reactant, carbon have 1, hydrogen 4, oxygen 2. In product, carbon 1, hydrogen 2 and oxygen 3. Right? 1. Now carbon is balanced, hydrogen 4, here 2. Now what we can do? Here 2, here 4. Now here multiply with 2. So here 4, H2O multiply with 2. Now what happened? Oxygen also change. 2 plus 2, 4. Right? Now oxygen here 2, here 4. Now what we can do? Here multiply with 2 in reactant. So we got oxygen have 4. So multiply with 2. Now again we can check. Carbon 1, carbon 1. Hydrogen 4, hydrogen 2 to the 4. Both are balanced. Now oxygen 2 to the 4. Here in product, oxygen 2 or 2, 4. Clear? Now second example of exothermic reaction. That one is glucose. What is the formula of glucose? Anyone knows? Formula of glucose. That is H12O6 plus what we can write oxygen, because oxygen is good supporter of combustion. O2 gives. Now what we get the final product of this exothermic reaction? Now that is CO2 plus H2O. Clear? Plus also we got some energy. Clear? Now we can balance the equation. C6, here C is also 1, so we can write here, put here 6. Clear? Now hydrogen is 12, here hydrogen is only 2. Now what we can do, we put here 6, so 6 to the 12, here hydrogen 12, here hydrogen 12, carbon 6, hydrogen 12, hydrogen 12. Now turn to oxygen. Oxygen 6 plus 2, 8. 6 to the 12, 12 plus 6, 18. Now what we can do, here 6, here 2. We can write here 6. So what happens, 6 to the 12, 12 plus 6, 8. So here 6 to the 12, 12 plus 6, 18. Simple. Here 18, here 18. This balance is balance, right? Now a simple revision of the first chapter. There are 4 types of reaction: combination, decomposition, displacement and double displacement. Here combination reaction, the first example is calcium oxide with water. We got calcium hydroxide plus heat, and here heat is released, so we call it exothermic reaction. Here we got calcium hydroxide, that is colorless and react with carbon dioxide, and we got calcium carbonate plus water. Here calcium carbonate is color is milky water. Now the second example, we got water, H2 plus O2 gives H2O, and balance the equation. Third example is S plus O2 gives SO2, here sulfur dioxide, we know that. And the very easiest example, C plus O2 gives CO2, it is also very easiest example. Now we can learn exothermic reaction. In first one is burning of natural gas. What is the mean by burning of natural gas? It is burning of methane. So here methane is CH4, burning with oxygen, because it is oxygen is a good supporter of combustion. So we got CO2 plus H2O, right? And balance the equation. And the second example of glucose plus oxygen, we got carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Okay, now you can take also screenshot. Thank you.